Okay, so let's see the next Python interview question. So the interviewer might ask this question. So what is underscore underscore name in Python, and what it is value if it's being imported, and when it is not being imported, that it is being used in the same file. The second part of the question is, generally we see in the Python script we write if name is equal to main, but can we write instead of equal to, can we write is? So let's try to understand like what is a name. So whenever you see like this double underscore, whenever you see this double underscore, right, then these are the like the magic methods in the Python, right? So name is a built-in variable that is automatically set for each module. So let's suppose I have one file, example.py file, and if I print underscore underscore name in this file, then what it is going to print? So let's try Python example dot. So now you could see the value of the name, it's set as underscore underscore name underscore underscore main, right? So it is a basically a string. Even if you see print type of underscore underscore name, it is a string. So it is a string. So because we are using whenever there is any Python file, so we are executing that Python file. So automatically what Python interpreter did is it will set this value. So there should be, you can say this is a variable underscore underscore name. It is going to set its value with something. And what is that something? So if we use the same file, example.py file, we try to execute that file, then the value the interpreter is going to set is underscore underscore main, which is a string. So basically it is going to set underscore underscore main, because how we are going to represent a string using the double quotes, right? But what if we import this module? Let's suppose there is a one more file, test.py file, and I'm going to import example. I'm going to import example. Now, if I import example, so whatever the print statement within this file, it is going to execute it. So it is going to execute print underscore underscore name as well in this file. So let's see. So Python test.py. Now you could see when I run example.py, at that time the value of underscore underscore name is underscore underscore main. But when I run import example, at that time as well these two line is being run, but at that time the value of underscore underscore name is example. So basically, if we are executing our same file, at that time the value of the name being set as underscore underscore main. But if the same file is being used by some another module, module, then the value is being set as the name of the file. So the name of the file is example.py. That why it is being set as the example. The same thing it is being mentioned. The name is a built-in variable that is automatically set, right? It represents the name of the current module. The value of the name depends upon how the module is being used. So if I'm using example.py file, then the value of the name being set as underscore underscore main. But if I am using example in some other package or some other file, then its value will be set as the file of the file, the file name. Right. So the value of the name, how it is being used, it represents the name of the current node which is being used. The value of the name depends on how being used. So basically, I just repeated two lines. Alright. So if it's being used in the same file, then the value is being set as this. If it is used in the same file, then the file of the name. File of the name. Like in our case, it's example. Alright. So this is like the first part of the question: what is name and what is the value when it is being imported and what is when it is being used in the same file. Okay. Now the second part of the question is, can we use is instead of double equal to? So let's try. Let's try one function, right? And this function is taking some two argument, and it is going to return print a plus b. All right. And let's do something. If underscore underscore name equal to, so if underscore underscore name is, because we know underscore underscore name, if it is being used in the same file, then it is a string. It is a string, and what is the value of that string is main. That's why we generally write this. Then we will call this function with some value 10 and 20. All right, let's try to execute. Python, 1 minute. Sorry. So Python example.py file, function, why it is not being printed? So we are calling this function. It should print a plus b. Why it is 1 minute? I just got some call. 1 minute. Okay, so why it was not working? So let's okay. I put like three underscore. So which was the root cause? So let's try to run it. So now like our function is being called from this file, and that's why we are checking like this. But can we use is? So the answer is no. Why we can't use? So let's try to first use is and let's try to run it. So you could see we get the syntax error. We get the syntax error. So why we can't use is? So generally, so like why we can't use is because if we define two variable a is equal to hello and b is equal to hello, right? And if I do print a equal to b, or if I print a is b, then both is same. Both is going to be return true. Both is going to be return true. But why I can't use is here instead of the double equal to? Because what double equal to will do is double equal to will going to check the value. So value is same, and is going to check the value of the id, the memory location, whether they are going to store in the same memory location or not. So let's try the id of a and the id of b. So in this case, you could see both ID are same 66053033792, and both ID are same. So that's why like is and double equal to are getting the same. But in the above case, in the above case, so let's try to print the ID. So let me do equal to only, and let's try to print the ID. Print. So let's try here. Print ID of underscore name, and print id of underscore main, and underscore main is a string. So let's try to print that. So you could see our id is different. It is 6815, it is 795. So that's why we can't use is here, uh because what is basically do is basically is going to check the address of name, and the address of this is equal. In our case, it is not equal. So that's why like it's not going to work. But the double equal to just going to check the value. All right, so double is going to check the value, and yes, if we print this this like print underscore and then we got the value main, and that is equal to main this values. That's why it is going to work. So so in our question it is being asked, so can we use is? So the answer is no. So this is the wrong syntax, so we have to use double equal to. So that's it. That's the end of the video. So you can also in the coming future, I am going to create a few more videos. So thank you.